Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute stories on Telegram. The first thing is open up your Telegram app and then tap on the story you want to mute, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you have the option to mute by tapping on notify about stories. Right now it's on, so tap it. I change it to do not notify about stories. So as I've disabled notification for the stories, it means I have muted it. It's as simple as that. Now if I want to unmute it, I tap on notify about stories because there's actually an option for mute on Telegram. You have the option of notify and unnotify. And that way you can do it is when you tap on it at the top right corner, you can choose hide from my view. Tap on it, stealth mode, and it will hide that particular story from your view, maybe for 5 minutes or for 25 minutes. These are the two options you have. But for you to unlock this, you need to unlock stealth mode, and that is by subscribing to Telegram Premium. That is how you can do it. So I'm not on Telegram Premium, so I don't have that option. It's as simple as that.